guys, so it has started and we are tucked in like a blankie. Beautiful. Isn't it beautiful, Andrew? No, it's different this time. Last time we just... Ash, do you like the snow? Do you like the snow? You do? Cameron, do you see the snow?
Yes.
Do you like the snow?
Yes.
It's beautiful. So we're looking rough, but it's early. It is like 7:45. We've been up a little bit before 6, and the storm started about 6. Yeah, we woke up to look out. There was nothing at all. So we are enjoying it. Yes, we are.
Mama. Mama.
Yes. Noise. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So good morning, everyone. Thank. It's beautiful. Aubrey, you like it? It's so beautiful.
We're gonna run. And we can't eat no.
Good morning, happy Sunday. Yes, so you saw us earlier. We've gotten ourselves together. Gave the kids baths, got myself a bath. My husband's outside shoveling snow, but now you guys, if you can see, it has stopped snowing and it is just icing everywhere. So hopefully, you know, we have not lost power. Hopefully we won't. But in the meantime, I've deep cleaned the house. Mopped everything down here and wiped down, disinfected, cleaned up downstairs bathroom, and the kids did the stairs and stuff, and I did my bathroom earlier this week, so I'll do it probably tomorrow, Tuesday. Excuse my snow look, natural snow look. Anyway, I've taken out my meat because it's gonna be, everybody had, no sir.
Mom, just like an apple now.
No, you've already had breakfast and I'm getting ready to start on that. I took out my meat, do burgers for dinner. They had Krispy Kreme donuts because we went to Krispy Kreme last night and got 2 dozen donuts. And so that worked out good. We ate like 1 and then there was a dozen left. And they had the hot light on too, so we got like hot and then assorted of the choice that the kids wanted. And I got hamburgers out for tonight with fries. Throw that away. And my chicken right now, I'm getting ready to do baked chicken Alfredo. That Alfredo sauce that you've seen in the grocery haul. That is what I am cooking the chicken, throwing that sauce in there, letting it simmer, making some pasta, making some veggies. The bread that I made the other night, I made 2 loaves, and thank goodness my husband was eating the bread. I'm like, this bread I'm trying to use for lunch today. And so I'll cut that up, add some garlic butter. We're gonna be good to go.
some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.